Here is the water bottle holder. First, please tie a knot at one end of the rope. Then thread it through from the left side. Thread the string back and forth like in the video. Tighten the rope slightly. Good, that's all you need to do. Then, install another bracket in same way. Removing the screws under the cushion. Attaching the bracket. Tighten the screws. Attach the other bracket as well. Now you can load the things. Good job, the installation is completed.